Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll tell how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So let's start. So let's go to the left top corner, just click here and then just scroll down a little bit and then let's go to this part that says add spotlight. Just click here and then just click on take a picture, then let's go to Sena and then let's click on my story public. So then just click on the blue side and then it's done. So now let's go up and then let's go to our public profile just a little bit and then let's go to spotlight and you will check here that all your stories on public it's done. As you can check it, now it says my stories public and then on your public profile will appear also the spotlight that you take after. So that's the way to do it. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.